Deadly storms race across Alabama and Georgia, leaving at least 40 dead and a path of destruction in Birmingham and Tuscaloosa.
Good news, weakening tornado right now close to Valley, Alabama, but we still got to be on the weather watch. A lot to talk about. We're tracking the latest for you. Night Watch starts now.
Covering western Georgia and East Alabama, this is WRBL News 3 Night Watch.
Widespread damage left in the wake of deadly monster storms roaring across the South, and it's not over yet. Hello, everyone. We thank you for choosing News 3 tonight. I'm Phil Scoggin.
And I'm Teresa Whitaker. Here's what we know so far about the storms. Governor Robert Bentley has announced a state of emergency for every county in the state of Alabama. At least 40 storm-related deaths have been reported in Alabama today.
15 of those deaths are reported in Tuscaloosa. Meanwhile, in Georgia, 2 reported deaths so far in the northwest corner of the state.
Well, let's get right to where the storms are in our viewing area. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bob Jeswald.
Alongside with meteorologist David Reese, who's live right now at our Facebook, WRBL.com, and Twitter, so stay with us. Lynette and Valley, that tornado warning, even though it still continues, we see on Doppler is completely weakening. We're not seeing rotation, so that's some good news. It's weakening, but still take it serious here in LaGrange and Troup County because there's still potential damage, or it could actually regenerate some energy and it could still produce a tornado. Let's move a little bit closer and show you what we're looking at. This was the tornado, and now the warning still continues, but right around Lynette and Valley, we're seeing some signs of weakening, and it's very hard to discern. It's almost wrapping within inside itself, and all the wind flow is really not showing up well on all the rest of our data. Now when we pull back out again, you can see where these watch boxes are off to the west and through the whole area, and here's the warning box. And again, pulling it all the way from Camp Hill, Dadeville, we had some damage, trees down reported, no injuries right now as we heard. That's good news, but everybody else farther west around Alexander City, we're going to be on the lookout for Chambers County again as we continue. We back up even farther and show you what else you can see. We can see a line of storms across Birmingham, areas so hard hit, and around Tuscaloosa. We'll take you there. We'll show you some incredible video coming up in our full weather. But from Demopolis to Selma, anything is generating ahead of this. We're still going to keep a watchful eye. So we're in a potentially dangerous situation. Everybody's shaded in red. That's a tornado watch right through 2 this morning. Stay with us. We'll be right back with the latest, Phil.
All right, thank you. Continuing with